G'day everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at an ongoing project from SDS Models, and that is the Australian, or rather the New South Wales Railways 81 class locomotive. Now, these have been coming out for the last couple of years and we keep getting more and more, well, coming. And there's even more still to come, but we'll get into that in a second. Anyway, recently, we have just received some new models of these 81 class locos as they've appeared throughout their life. On that, their life started in the mid-80s, in 1982 to 1985, and then there were 4 more produced in 1991 for a total of 84 units. These are, well, these 81 class locomotives can be seen all over Australia nowadays, hauling mainly freight. You do see a couple being used as shunters, say here in Melbourne, down in Dynon, and yeah, pretty neat. So they were built in New South Wales, in Kelso, which is just near Bathurst, in the 80s, and yeah, pretty good. So these have been coming out for a little while, and there is SDS. It's a total of 13 liveries available. Now, some have already sold out, but here in store we do have a couple, which are as they were released, which is the State Rail Authority Candy. Get that in there. As you can see, they've got wonderful paint on them, nice and sharp lettering. They feature full cab interior, got all your brake hoses, piping, everything like that. Your bogies are all-wheel pickup and all-wheel drive, so they are a nice, strong model. So especially if you want to do prototype modelling, you can haul a nice big freight train, or perhaps an Indian Pacific or something like that. So we have it in Freight Rail Blue, which is what they were after Candy. Again, some fantastic detail there. Your builder's plate. Moving along, they then went to National Rail in the 90s. And finally, as they appear today, which is with Pacific National, mainly hauling intermodal freight and grain trains. Now, of course, like I said, these have been coming out over the last couple of years, so there are 2 different boxes. So if you do decide to get one of these, don't be alarmed if they are slightly different. But on the end, you've got which model is which. and whether they are DCC and sound fitted or just, well, conventional DC. Now, if you are planning on getting a sound fitted one, in the box you will get a set of instructions which will take you through the different sound options and lighting functions. No, you won't, because it's on the inside of the box. There we go. So this will work with obviously your conventional DCC systems. We do the NCE power cabs in store, but if you use Digitrax or anything like that, it should all be fine. These are fitted with an ESU Locksound V5 decoder, which is a, well, premium decoder and speaker setup. So we'll go through and have a little listen. We'll start one of these up and we'll go through some of the sound features and functions on this. Anyway, if you are interested in more information about these SDS 81 classes, head over to our website where we have them listed and what is still in stock. And of course, if there is a particular one you're after, you can call the store. We can look at getting you the one that you want. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right.
Well, this taping in the background is really annoying.
Here you go. Very good.